Hey guys, it's Beth and welcome back to my channel. And today I am playing along with Christy Marcotte's card challenge. And the challenge for this week is to use polka dots in a card. And I will include the video below in the description box where she talks about the challenge, and you can also follow along on Instagram. Just make sure you use the hashtag kristiescardchallenge if you're following along, and you can also search for the participants by using that hashtag as well. So for today, I am using some pieces from an old Flavor of the Month kit by Scrapping for Less, and it is August, and I think it was 2018. I've had this one in my stash for a while, and I've been working on using it up this month, and it just so happens that there were some polka dots in one of the collections, so I am going to be using that. And it's a combination of collections that I'm using. I think it's collection number 3 and then collection number 1. And I'm using some of the papers and ephemera that were included in the collection. And I'm also using, they included a sheet of sketches that you could download to use with the kit. And I am using sketch number 1, which is actually card pattern sketch number 146. And I will actually be turning mine horizontally. So I already have all my pieces cut just to kind of make this a quick video. And I am kind of going with a tropical and dinosaur theme with this card. I've had a lot of fun with Christy's Card Challenge. Like last week, it was a card sketch that we used, and then it was really cool to see how everybody used the same sketch but came up with totally different cards. And then this week, you don't have a specific sketch, it's just somehow use polka dots in your card. So I am using this yellow polka dot paper, and it is from it's from Bo Bunny, like part of their Natural Dots collection. And then this leaf paper is by Echo Park from their Dino Friends and Jungle Safari. And I am just going to cover kind of my seam here just to make it flow a little better. Just have a scrap strip of white cardstock. I'm going to use this ephemera piece which says "You are totally roarsome." And I wanted to give it kind of more of a solid base to rest on there. So this is kind of taking the place of that rectangular and circle element on the card sketch. Like I'm not using a separate circle and a separate rectangle, I'm kind of using one combined. And instead of a sentiment strip at the bottom, I am going to place my little dinosaur down here. Figure out where I want him. Do I want him there? I think maybe we'll put him there. And then they have several little circle elements down here, which would have been like up in the top right corner. And I just took I took a little circle punch and used the back side of one of the papers that has kind of that aqua turquoisey color. And that is what I'm going to be using for my little circle elements. I didn't want to go with anything blingy since it's more geared towards a little boy, and I didn't have any enamel dots that matched. So when all else fails, I always use that little 1/4 inch circle punch. And then to attach my little circles, I'm just using, it's a zig two-way glue pen. Sometimes it's easier than breaking out my full-on wet glue. So just kind of clean and simple, but fun for a little boy. So there's my card front utilizing the yellow polka dot paper, and I brought in some ephemera and a chipboard accent. And then, you know me and my scraps, I had this little strip left of the yellow polka dot, so it is going on the inside of my card. So that is my polka dot card. That is part of Kristie's Card Challenge. Again, you can find Kristie's video in the description box below to find some more information. And would love to know if you are following along. I know I've seen some of you guys have responded on Instagram already, but if you are playing along on your own and not posting it anywhere, I'd love to know if you are joining Kristie. I'm having a lot of fun with this, and I'm so glad she's doing this while we're all stuck at home and hopefully have some extra time to play. But that's all I had for you guys today. I hope you're having a wonderful and crafty day, and thank you so much for your time and joining me.